Yo, what is up, YouTube? Another fucking day, another fucking vlog, another nasty vlog. So, yesterday, as you saw in the vlog before, painted the 240. It is fucking... Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted, painted the 240. It came out sick as fuck, dude. I'm fucking excited. Look at that shit. Anyways, the battery was dead because of my alarm situation, so I'm gonna go get that fixed. So I'm just jumping it with the golf. So let's jump in the car and see what happens. Alright, moment of truth. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more time charging up. Hopefully that works. I mean, the battery and everything turned on. There should be nothing broken in it. As far as I know, everything is working 100%. So everything but the battery. So, well, the alarm shit, but whatever. I'll give it a few more minutes and let's see what happens. Oh hell yeah, 240 is on. So let's go to the fucking alarm shop, see what happens. I'm gonna take off all the fucking cables and park my golf and let's get the fuck out of here. I'm juiced, dude. Hell yeah. Alright, so basically I'm stuck in the middle of the road. Not that far away from my house, but not close to it either. Valentine's on his way to come give me a jump. So I'm gonna have to buy him fucking lunch because he lives pretty far for him to just be driving out over here. So I don't know electrical shit or wiring basically. So when I switched my ignition switch over, I didn't put the alarm connected to it. And I guess the guys who did it before connected the alarm to it. So the alarm just keeps going off and off and off, and there's nothing that I can do because it's not technically connected to the car per se. So it's just hanging wires there. So it's draining my battery. So I have to go charge up the battery. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to fucking, well, I don't know, depending on what Valentine says, but maybe we might go take the car battery to AutoZone, go eat, get the battery back, charge it up, put it in the car, drive to the alarm shop, get the alarm done, go do whatever the fuck we need to go do while we wait, pick up the car, and hopefully there it'll be good, because it's doing the exact, because this has happened before with the alarm. When I first got the car, the alarm was fucked up, so it kept draining my battery and I was like, what the fuck is going on? So basically I had to replace the whole alarm, but this is a new alarm, so I don't have to replace the alarm. And the reason I had to replace my alarm last time was because I actually ripped it out like a dumbass. So yeah, anyways, I'm pissed, but it'll be up and running. Just needs that battery charge. So I gotta wait for Val. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. And the only thing that sucks is I can't even like roll my fucking windows up. So if he gives me a jump enough to like roll my windows up, I'll leave the car parked right here, which I don't think I'm supposed to, but I really don't give a shit right now. I'll leave a note saying battery died, fucking getting it jumped or some shit. I don't know. I'll go charge it at fucking AutoZone. Oh no, well, if I get it jumped enough to drive to fucking AutoZone, I'll go leave it there. And then we'll go eat and shit, but, you know, let's see what happens. Let's hopefully Val won't take too long. I know he lives kind of far, but cool. Let's get this shit on the road. Hopefully. The one wheel I forgot to fucking cover. All fucked up. It's the one that shows on the driver's side. Fuck. Yeah. My hero. Dude, on some real shit though. On some real ass shit, we've saved, our 240s have saved each other so many times. Let's see if we get the balls. Ooh, and the balls. You. Sup?
Saw it. Busted missions for you.
Hell yeah. Hey, I'm gonna get you. Alright. So, got the battery. We're about to walk over to AutoZone. Hopefully,
That looks funny here when this is left open.
hopefully that should just like, that fixes the problem. If I have to buy another battery, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill myself.
Get in the zone.
Hey, this is my local AutoZone here again. Hey, AutoZone better sponsor me because I've been coming to this AutoZone every single fucking video.
420 blaze it.
About to plastic in my rims. This color or this color?
Hey, I don't know if there's any videos of when my rack and pinion was hella bad, but this shit is clutch. Power steering repair. This shit is clutch. It fixed my problem in like literally fucking probably, I want to say not even a minute. Cause this broke too.
Real?
Yeah.
You guys got no bars.
Your car's sitting over there. Your car's sitting across the street because you couldn't bring it over here. Look at that shit. Look at the interior. Big booty bitches.
Yeah, on my phone it looks good. The
First timer. So I trust Fernando with my order, so it better be good.
it's pretty good. I'm willing and able. So, damn, it smells like hella weed.
For real. It's you, huh?
All right.
Closer screaming at him.
So, I don't have any tools to tighten these, but that's on there pretty good. I like to think so myself. So let's fucking jump in the 240 and let's fucking do it, Holmes.
Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. Took a while.
Hey, that's normal though.
We busted a mission for someone to tell us to disconnect the box. Yeah, it is.
Got it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it only had one screw. You record?
I wasn't recording. No, I'm just kidding. I am.
Oh. Alright, so we're here at Car Audio Heaven. They're about to check out my alarm. It's in the shop right now. It's super simple. It's just like 3 wires that they need to disconnect and connect into the new ignition switch. And hopefully that'll save all my shit. Then we're going to go, after this, we're going to head out to Val's house. And then we're going to tighten up those terminals on my battery so that it stops fucking dying on me. And then the 240 should be good. After that, if it doesn't drive after that, I don't know what the fuck's going on. But it should be good after that. So just keep watching. Oh, my fault. My fault, G.
So this guy pulled up in a right-hand drive MR2. This thing's hella clean. Right-hand drive. Damn, it's straight from Japan too. This dude looked like some Japanese race car driver. He has legit Japanese like permits. It's so clean though.
what's up, guys? We're out of fucking meat. Hella packed. I'm just kidding. This is all cut off for the drifting later. Nah, also just kidding. I don't give a fuck. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding about that too. Ooh. Hey, I see you. I see you. Damn, you should tell us. Yours?
Yeah, I seen you guys the other day, remember?
Oh, yeah, that's true, huh? Yeah, I finally painted that shit.
Yeah, I seen that shit.
Yeah. Hey, this shit is clean as fuck, dude. Damn. Shout him out. Be like, hey, Tay's here? Lit? It's always lit when Tay's here. Oh, my fault, G, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Dude, hey, real talk, that's gonna be a fucking normal thing on the vlog is me about to get... Oh, look, Oscar photos, shout out. Who you are.
I was aiming for your windshield.
Alright, look, so Valentine, some little ass kid shit. Ah, you didn't even let me get it. Look, with the popper, fucking popped it on my car.
You just popped the whole pack before I did. Little ass kid. You were walking around throwing them at my fucking back. You barely discovered that today?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to hit the lens.
Alright.
Oh, it's it popped out your car again.
Look. Look at this disrespect. The new 240 paint, dude.
Alright, again. Oh, I missed.
Where did it pop on?
Popped like up here. No, listen.
So I got some good news and some bad news. Good news is we're having fun playing with these little poppers. And Val only spent $1 on them, so it's chill. The bad news is I didn't have my camera on me when they were drifting in here. So I didn't get it drifted. I have it on my phone, so I'll probably upload my phone video, but it ain't that good of quality. Alright guys, so he is going again. So I for sure had to show that one because I didn't have my camera the first time he went in there. And a few other people have gone in there to swing it, but to be honest, they fucking suck. So, or sorry, that's rude of me to say. They were like learning how to do it, so it wasn't that great. But that guy, I'll put his Instagram down. I'll put his Instagram down below. He's like, he definitely knows how to swing his shit hella good. So, if he goes again, I'll record it. There's his Instagram down below. Hey, on some real shit, if you're gonna be like Harmon's and shit, please don't fucking do this. That's why everyone fucking hates us. Fuck. Hey, we nasty, but we ain't that fucking nasty. You feel me?
We ain't puercos.
Alright, so this meet's basically over. It's fucking empty as fuck. So we're done with the vlog here. But, you know, we're chilling with the 240s, 240 boys. Ooh, got the black one here, this shit clean. Alright, so.
Say squat on it.
Squat! Alright. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and fucking share this shit. Share it as much as you fucking can, because we're starting to get poppin'. No, we're not. But we want to be poppin'. So fucking share that shit. Like it, comment down below. Whatever the fuck. Comment whatever the fuck you guys want. Like, I don't give a fuck. Just comment. Alright. Catch you guys later. Stay nasty.